Right, welcome back year one to the next video about division. This time I would like you to have 20 objects with you again, 20 small objects if possible. But I would also like you to get a piece of paper and a pen or a pencil.
Once you've got your 20 objects, you need to count out 12. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Right, put the others aside. With these 12 objects, you are going to make an array. Right, watch this. 1 underneath each other. You will have 6 on the top row and then 6 on the bottom row. Now, you should have something in front of you that looks a bit like this. I am trying to answer the question that is here. There are 12 fish. Circle groups of 2. You don't have this in front of you. I want you to draw something like this. I have done it over here. I want you to draw something like this, just like it is in our Maths No Problem book. And right at the top, 12 divided by 2. Right, once you have drawn something that looks a bit like this, go back to your objects. The question is actually asking us to divide 12 objects into 2. So we have got 6 along the row and 2 along the column. So this will be easy for me to group them into 2s. Okay, 1, 2. Right, I now have grouped them 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 groups. Go back to your bit of paper that you've drawn on. Now it's the same as this. So there are 12 fish. Circle groups of 2. How many groups have we got? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is exactly the same as this. 6. Lovely. Okay, so the next question is there are 16 whales, circle groups of 4. Right, once you have got 16 objects in front of you, I want you to do the same as we did before, in a line, in what's called an array, just like it is down here with the whales. Right, let me just double check that this is 16. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. Yes. I'm now going to draw it as well. Right, once you have drawn it, you should have something that looks like this. I want you to write at the top 16 divided by 4. There are 16 whales and circle groups of 4. I'm going to do this with my objects first. Now, I haven't got 4 going down here and I haven't got 4 going across here. So I'm going to count groups of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, before I even count those, I'm actually going to do it here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 groups. And does that match with my cubes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So I want you to do the next set of questions by yourself. The first one, there are 14 birds, circle groups of 7. Draw 7 circles along the top and 7 circles underneath them, and work out 14 divided by 7. Right, once you have worked that out, the next question is there are 20 pelicans, circle groups of 5. This is asking us to do 20 divided by 5. Draw 10 circles along the top and another 10 along the bottom underneath to create an array, and work out that answer. Right, the next question. Emma buys 15 flowers. She puts 3 flowers in each vase. How many vases does she need? So these have not been put into our normal array, not one underneath each other. And that's because 15 is an odd number. It couldn't be done. So I need you to draw 15 divided by 3. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 along the top and 7 along the bottom. So try work out the answer to 15 divided by 3. When you've done that, we'll go over all the answers. So you should now have done all 3 questions by yourself. We're going to work out the answers now together. 14 divided by 7. There are 14 birds, circle groups of 7. There are 7 on the top and 7 on the bottom. Two groups of 7. 14 divided by 7 is 2. Well done. Okay, now 20 divided by 5. 20 divided by 5. These are done in groups of 2. So I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and circle it like that. Or I could do it along the top here because there's 10 along here. And 2 5s is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It doesn't matter what way you circle it. You will get the right answer, but you want to make sure it is clear and easy for you to read. So 20 divided by 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. There are 20 pelicans, circle groups of 5. There are 4 groups of pelicans. So the flowers, the one that's a bit trickier. So 15 divided by 3. These ones are trickier to circle. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 15 divided by 3 is 5. She needs 5 vases. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She needs 5 vases.